From Uniball Radamco, I'd like to call up Dorothy Shidor to give this award away. Dorothy Shidor to give this award.
And here are the nominees. 4F, 4F, Kamayu, Guess, Kazar, Max Mara, Orsay, Kiosk, Oldhorn, and Solar.
And welcome. Welcome and thank you for helping us give this award away.
So, who is the winner in this category? Fashion Retailer of the Year under 450 square meters.
The competition is high. Lots of great retailers in this category, but the winner goes to Orsay.
Congratulations. Well done. So please come over and say a few words.
I would like to thank everybody for giving the prize. It's a great honor. It was a great pleasure to be nominated, but we didn't really expect that we'll be appreciated in such a way. Last year, 2017, was one of the strongest we had in our 20 years history in Poland, and I think we'll do only better in the next years. Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations again. Please join us for some photos.